Assalamu alaikum, welcome to a brand new video. Today's video I will show you how can you make this. First you have to go to your browser and search for Urban Jungle font free download. Click on the first link and you have to download the font. I already downloaded the font, so I'm not gonna download it again. Then go to your search bar again and type for Green Valley. Just click on enter. Go to the image and you will find a lot of pictures with green valley and very beautiful nature image. Just download whatever you want and which one looks great for you. So here I downloaded an image for the background and the font. So you have to double click to install the font. I already installed it, so I'm not gonna install it again. And now open Photoshop. And drag the image to the Photoshop. And now click on text tool and click on the center of the image. The font is already selected, but normally it will be a different font, suppose like this. So type your name or whatever you want to type, then click on OK, enter. Then from here you can change the font. Just type here Urban Jungle regular. This is here. Click on the font and see the magic. So you can stop here. I'm not gonna stop here. I will do little more editing to make it more amazing. So click on this mask icon to add a mask and zoom in little bit. Go to the brush tool, make sure foreground color is full black and click on the mask. Click here and remember the brush opacity 74. Shift and click at the end of your name. Now see how the text is blended with the forest. You can also stop here, but I'm not gonna stop here. Right click and click on blending option and click on drop shadow. From here choose a deep green color, not pure black, very dark green color as a shadow. Make this 0, both of these 0, angle 30 degree and opacity make something like 60 or something, and the size will be something like 61. Perfect. Now click on OK. You can stop here again, but I will do more. Click on C in your keyboard to open the crop tool and click here and choose the ratio 1:1. Now adjust your position. Make sure that your name is center. Center your name by clicking and dragging here, and after completing this just click on enter. Now we will do our last editing. Make a copy of your background layer by clicking and dragging here, or simply just clicking Ctrl J in your keyboard and change the blend mode to soft light. Bring down the opacity like this, something like 56-60, and see how it's looking. It's just awesome. So now you can save it. So today's video I'm not gonna show you how I edited the motion or the birds on the video. If you guys are interested to know how I did it, just comment me. I will do a next video about it. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like the video and see you in the next one.